Columbia Gas is venting the pipes in the Merrimack Valley this afternoon. That work is underway. Police put up detours around the areas where crews are working, like here in Lawrence. All of the natural gas has to be out of the system before the necessary repairs are made. Full gas restoration isn't expected until mid-November. The gas company's president gave this promise to people affected by the gas explosions.
I just want to make it clear that we will make it up to you. We will recover. We will bring this distribution system back on.
During the gas venting, people might smell natural gas or hear loud noises. Columbia Gas says this is all normal and there's no reason to be alarmed.